I usually ask about what people would have for their last meal if the world was ending. But for you, chef, I'm throwing in a twist.
Yeah.
If you were to cook for someone who's never tried Indian food before, and their final request before the end of the world is to try your food, what would you make as an appetizer, main, and dessert?
I'll tell you what, the main course has to be my favorite, which is Dandar Patio.
Okay.
The appetizer will have to be our family's trademark, a masala scrambled egg. That is a beautiful soft scrambled egg with garlic, green chili, fresh coriander, and maybe sometimes when we feel like a little hint of cumin in it. With crisp toast that takes 3 hours to make.
Wow, 3 hours to make.
Yes, that's my family specialty. We call it. My mother used to start cooking, making the toast at 4 o'clock in the morning, and to be ready for breakfast at 7.
Wow.
And it's a Melba toast, but it's a very, very dignified Melba toast
I see.
with that scrambled egg. So that's the starter taken care of, Dandar Patio taken care of, and a classic custard. And funnily, you should ask, I've just made about 100 portions of it right now. And it is a slow reduced milk that is then flavored with nutmeg, cardamom, rose water, and a dash of vanilla.
Wow.
It is blended with egg yolks as you would in a creme caramel. It is sprinkled with chopped pistachios and almonds, and then it is baked very slowly.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
It is heavenly, sir, and it directly leads you onto a clear path. There is no in between once you go down that route.
That sounds about right to me.